Hi there, this is Simpson. In this video we are going to review this Rorito DIGIMATE. This is a needle tip roller pen. This pen cost about ₹40. For our favorite pen videos, check our playlist. If you are new to this channel, subscribe our channel now. Kindly check the writing experience of this pen.
Let's take a look at the design of Rorito DIGIMATE. Metallic clip, Rorito engraved here, looks nice. The body color and the design in the barrel looks nice. Rorito DIGIMATE, the fine edge written here. Needle tip, the cartridge itself looks bit small. Rorito DIGIMATE refill written here. Altogether the design of the pen is nice. At this price point, ₹40. The top of the cap and even the bottom of the pen, the design is unique, gives the color of the ink. The shiny stickers looks nice. Let's see how it writes. This pen writes with medium tip with good impression. Glides in paper, dries somewhat quickly. Back impression is minimal. Altogether a nice pen from Rorito DIGIMATE. Thanks for watching.